What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? For just seconds? Right now, you're moving at over 1,000 miles per hour because Earth is constantly spinning. If the planets suddenly stopped, everything not attached to the ground would keep moving at that incredible speed. Buildings would collapse, oceans would surge across continents, and powerful winds would sweep around the globe. Thankfully, this can never happen instantly, but it shows just how important Earth's rotation is to life.
5 space facts that will blow your mind. Number 1. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. Number 2. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. Number 3. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. Number 4. A day on Jupiter lasts only about 10 hours. And number 5. If you fell into a black hole, gravity could stretch your body into a long, thin strand. Scientists call this spaghettification. Which fact amazed you the most?
What would happen if you fell into a black hole? The answer is more terrifying than you think. As you got closer, the black hole's gravity would become stronger and stronger. Your feet would be pulled much harder than your head, stretching your body like spaghetti. Scientists call this spaghettification. To someone watching from far away, you would appear to slow down and eventually freeze near the edge of the black hole. But from your point of view, you would keep falling inward. What happens after crossing? The event horizon is still one of science's greatest mysteries. Black holes are among the most extreme objects in the universe, and we still don't know all their secrets. You think the sun is huge. It's actually tiny compared to the biggest known stars. Meet Stephenson 2-18, one of the largest stars ever discovered. If Stephenson 2-18 replaced our sun, its surface would stretch beyond the orbit of Saturn. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and even Saturn would all be inside the star. The universe is so enormous that even our sun looks small, and scientists are still discovering even bigger mysteries. What if the moon suddenly disappeared? At first, almost nothing would seem different. But within days, the tides would become much weaker. Many marine animals would lose the natural rhythm they've followed for millions of years. Earth would also begin to wobble. Over thousands of years, our climate could become far more extreme. And nights? They would become much darker than you've ever seen. The moon doesn't just light up our sky. It helps keep our entire planet stable. So, could humans survive without it? What if tonight you looked up and the moon was gone? Instead, Jupiter was in the sky. So it would fill a huge part of the sky with visible storms and even some of its moons. But Earth would be in danger. Jupiter is over 300 times more massive than the moon, and its gravity could create massive tides and disrupt our oceans, causing climate chaos and threatening life. Luckily, Jupiter is far away. The moon may seem small, but it's the perfect size and distance to keep Earth balanced. What if I told you that most of the universe is completely invisible? Scientists discovered that galaxies spin far too fast. Based on the matter we can see, they should fly apart. Something invisible is creating extra gravity and holding them together. Scientists call it dark matter. Dark matter doesn't emit light, reflect light, or absorb light. That's why we've never seen it directly. Even more surprising, everything we can see, stars, planets, and galaxies, makes up only about 5% of the universe. Dark matter is thought to account for about 27%, while most of the rest is something even stranger. Dark energy. Imagine a planet where the rain isn't made of water, but razor-sharp glass.
This is HD 189733b.
A planet about 64 light-years from Earth. Its atmosphere is filled with tiny silicate particles, the same material used to make glass. Powerful winds, reaching over 8,000 kilometers per hour, blast these particles sideways, creating deadly glass storms. From space, the planet looks beautiful and deep blue, but it's actually one of the most dangerous worlds we've ever discovered. Think Earth is dangerous? The universe has places where survival is impossible. First, black holes. Their gravity is so powerful that not even light can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Next, neutron stars. Just 1 teaspoon of their material would weigh around 1 billion tons on Earth. Then there are gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions ever detected. In just seconds, they can release more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. And finally, supernovas. If one exploded too close to Earth, the intense radiation could severely damage our planet's atmosphere. The universe is breathtaking, but it's also filled with places where the laws of nature become truly extreme.
Think you know the universe? These 5 facts might change your mind. Fact 1. Neutron stars can spin more than 700 times every second. That's faster than a kitchen blender. Fact 2. There's a giant cloud in space containing enough water to fill Earth's oceans trillions of times over. Fact 3. Saturn is so low in density that, if you had an ocean big enough, the entire planet would float. Fact 4. A single bolt of lightning on Jupiter can be up to 3 times more powerful than one on Earth. Fact 5. The light from some stars you see tonight began its journey before humans even existed. The universe isn't just huge, it's full of things that seem impossible.
What if the entire universe simply stopped existing? Scientists believe the universe won't last forever. In fact, several theories predict how it could end. One idea is the Big Freeze. As the universe keeps expanding, stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and everything slowly becomes cold and dark. Another theory is the Big Crunch. If gravity eventually overcomes expansion, the universe could collapse back into an incredibly hot and dense point. Some scientists even suggest a Big Rip, where space itself stretches so fast that galaxies, planets, and even atoms are torn apart. No one knows which future awaits us. But one thing is certain, the universe is still full of mysteries.
Think Mercury is the hottest planet? Think again. Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it isn't the hottest. That title belongs to Venus, where surface temperatures reach about 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to melt lead. Why? Venus has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, creating an extreme greenhouse effect that traps heat. So even when the sun goes down, Venus stays scorching hot. Would you survive just 1 second there?
What is the coldest place in the entire universe? It's colder than deep space itself. Most people think space is the coldest place imaginable. But that's not true. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest known natural place in the universe, with temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius -458 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just 1 degree above absolute zero, the point where atoms have almost no movement at all. The Boomerang Nebula is even colder than the leftover radiation from the Big Bang, making it one of the most extreme places ever discovered. Would you survive even 1 second there?